Hi everyone, it's Mark here and welcome to Crystal Universe for Mark's Crystal Tutorials. It's been a long time and it's our new year and I'm very excited because I still have so many crystal techniques, tips, knowledge, wisdom and experience to share with everybody. So I got really inspired by all of our incredible grounding stones, and I have in my past tutorials spoken about the aragonite sputniks or sputniks, our smoky quartz, and of course clear quartz, and I think the petrified wood as well. But so with that information you already know is that when I work with clients and also customers who come into the store mostly who really want to understand about grounding, is that the best way to get the best energy and the channel and the focus of energy out of your crystals is obviously through your combining of your stones. And you all know is that I am clear quartz mad and I don't go anywhere without some kind of quartz on me, and that so I will always use some kind of quartz in all of my crystal healings or my groundings. So earlier on in store, I had an inspiration of this incredible, beautiful grounding layout. The best time to do this is when you come home after work, really. Go outside, grab your favorite grounding crystals and then stand on the earth if you can, or sit there and place these at your feet. So what I've created today is, let's start at your ankles, is that I like to put a tiger's eye, or this is actually the tiger iron, which has the incredible added bonus of heavy grounding hematite. Okay, so put one of these at each ankle, yet above that place a clear quartz point. You're amplifying and directing the energy focus of the tiger iron at your ankles and downwards, because otherwise tumblestones can radiate energy in many directions, and quartz is what really amplifies and erects everything. That's why quartz points are usually pretty important. So that takes care of the energy in the feet and the energy centers in the soles of your feet and your ankles and your lower legs. Okay, so that starts to clear those and to start bringing a lot of your mental energy starts to come down. As you start to focus on the feet, you can add your breath. When your breath reaches all of the way down to your feet and your toes and they start to hum and buzz, that's when you know you've really grounded your aura and you've pushed it down nicely, because your aura wants to be eventually about 2 to 3 feet below your ankles. Most people come in, most people's aura is up around their ankles or halfway up their shins. You cannot possibly process all of your mental energy if your aura is not grounded below you in the earth. Hence why a powerful grounding layer like this, okay? So after your tiger iron and clear quartz, a beautiful smoky quartz. You know how much I love my darling smoky quartz. It's your all-round grounder. It's your amplifier, and it breaks up a lot of heavy energies as well. Plus it's quartz, so it's also amplifying even more energy into our petrified wood, which of course was once alive, an incredible process of a tree becoming crystallized over time. So it's an absolutely amazing process and connects you to the earth and the tree kingdom and the crystal kingdom as well. And then remember my past tutorial on the Earth Star and how to connect into that. I used the aragonite sputnik. So here we have this almost perfect grounding crystal layout. Try it for yourself, have a play, but remember, crystals really will only work as well as your intention is, how well you consciously connect. If you just breathe downwards into these, you'll start to feel the energy flows activate. And keep doing it until you can feel your body feels heavy, your mind and thoughts are more still, your emotions are more centered in your belly and your spine, and you're being pulled down. And you'll know when you hit that nice sweet spot. So I'm actually going to use this beautiful layout as soon as I get home. But of course, my smoky is 6 kilos, my petrified wood is a giant one, and my quartz are like this big. So so start small, enjoy, and happy grounding, everybody.